Brand messaging and voice. Brand messaging and voice, the art of speaking your brand's language. Imagine a world where every brand sounded the same, their messages indistinguishable from a sea of white noise. In this monotonous landscape, consumers would struggle to connect with the brands they interact with, making purchasing decisions based on factors like price or convenience alone. Thankfully, we don't live in that world. Instead, we inhabit a vibrant realm where brands have distinct personalities, voices that set them apart from the crowd. This is the power of brand messaging and voice, the art of crafting communication that resonates with your target audience and establishes your brand as a unique and memorable entity. Brand messaging is not just about pushing product features or shouting about discounts. It's about weaving a narrative that connects with your audience on an emotional level, a story that captures their attention and leaves a lasting impression. It's about understanding their aspirations, their fears, and their desires, and crafting messages that speak directly to their hearts. Think of it like a conversation with a friend. You wouldn't use the same tone and language to talk to your boss as you would to your best buddy, right? The same applies to brand messaging. Tailor your language to suit your target audience, using terms that they understand and a tone that aligns with their preferences. Brand voice, on the other hand, is the personality that comes through in your communication. It's the way you express your brand's values, its attitude, and its overall vibe. Is your brand playful and humorous like Skittles, or sophisticated and elegant like Chanel? Your brand voice should be consistent across all touch points, from your website copy to your social media posts to your customer service interactions. Imagine your brand as a character in a movie. What kind of personality would they have? Are they the witty sidekick, the wise mentor, the rebellious hero? Your brand voice should reflect that personality, using language that aligns with their character traits. Brewing up success, crafting brand messaging and voice for your coffee shop. Imagine the aroma of freshly roasted beans wafting through the air, the gentle hum of conversation, and the comforting warmth of a steaming cup of coffee. This is the dream you're about to turn into reality, a local coffee shop ready to rival the giants. But before your doors open, you need to craft a unique identity that will draw customers in and keep them coming back for more. Here's where brand messaging and voice come into play, the secret ingredients that will brew up your success. Brand messaging more than just a menu. Your brand messaging goes beyond simply listing your coffee offerings. It's about weaving a story around your brand, a narrative that resonates with your target audience. Think about who you're trying to attract. Are you aiming for busy professionals seeking a quick caffeine fix and a workspace with reliable Wi-Fi? Or are you targeting students and young adults looking for a cozy spot to catch up with friends and enjoy a leisurely latte? Here's how you can translate your target audience into compelling brand messages. For the busy professional, highlight the convenience and efficiency of your shop. Promote features like mobile ordering, fast Wi-Fi, and comfortable seating that allows them to get their work done in a productive environment. Your messaging could be something like your daily grind made easy. Grab a perfectly brewed cup and conquer your to-do list in our Wi-Fi haven. For students and young adults, emphasize the warm and inviting atmosphere of your shop. Focus on creating a community space where people can connect, study, or simply relax. Use messaging that evokes a sense of belonging, like your neighborhood hangout. Unwind with friends, fuel your late-night study sessions, or just enjoy a cozy escape with a delicious cup of joe. Brand voice, the barista in your pocket. Your brand voice is the personality that shines through in all your communication, from your website copy to your social media posts to the way your baristas interact with customers. It's like having a friendly barista in your pocket, always ready to chat about coffee and create a welcoming experience. Here are some suggestions for crafting your coffee shop's brand voice. Friendly and approachable, think of your favorite local barista who remembers your name and order. Your voice should be conversational and welcoming, making customers feel comfortable and valued. Passionate and knowledgeable, let your love for coffee shine through. Use descriptive language that highlights the unique flavors and origins of your beans. Offer brewing tips or host coffee tastings to showcase your expertise. Imagine your social media posts using phrases like, "We're been there, done that." Ask us anything about our ethically sourced single origin beans. Community-oriented, your coffee shop is more than just a place to grab a drink. It's a hub for your community. Promote local artists, host open mic nights, or team up with other local businesses for events. Your brand voice should reflect this community spirit, fostering a sense of belonging and encouraging conversation. Taking inspiration from the real world. Think of successful coffee shop chains like Starbucks or Peet's Coffee. Starbucks uses a warm, inviting, and friendly brand voice, often incorporating inspirational quotes and community-focused messages. Peet's Coffee, on the other hand, leans towards a more sophisticated and knowledgeable voice, highlighting their commitment to high-quality, small-batch roasted beans. Remember, your brand messaging and voice are living documents not set in stone. As your coffee shop grows and evolves, so too should your communication. Experiment with different approaches, track what resonates with your audience, and refine your messaging over time. With a carefully crafted brand identity, your local coffee shop will be more than just a place to grab a cup of joe. It will become a beloved neighborhood staple, brewing up connections and memories one cup at a time. Brand messaging and voice are not static entities. They should evolve as your brand grows and the market landscape shifts. Stay true to your core values, but don't be afraid to experiment and find new ways to connect with your audience. With a consistent and engaging brand voice, you'll transform your brand from a mere product or service into an unforgettable experience.